Let me show you something really powerful. Here we have a full customer management table. We can add new users, edit data directly inside the grid, and everything updates instantly. And the best part? We're building this in just a few minutes using one of the most important controls in WinForms, the DataGridView. Welcome back to part 18 of our C# and WinForms 2026 series. In this video, you'll learn how the DataGridView works, how to display structured data, how to make it editable, how to bind it to real data, and how to build a small but powerful management tool. If you understand this control, you can build real applications like admin panels, tools, dashboards, and more. Let's build a real example, a simple customer manager tool. Add the following controls to your form. A DataGridView. Name it DGV Customers. Add also 3 text boxes to the form. Name it Name, Age, and Email. We need also one button. Arrange them cleanly, input fields on top, grid below. The DataGridView is a control designed to display data in a table format. Think Excel, but inside your application. Each row represents an object. Each column represents a property. And the magic is, it supports editing, sorting, formatting, selection, data binding. All out of the box. This is why almost every professional WinForms app uses it. Set the following settings in the DataGridView properties. Allow user to add rows to false. Auto size columns mode you can set to fill. And the selection mode we set to full row select. Now we have a clean UI ready. Instead of just throwing random data into the grid, we do it properly. Create a class. Public class customer. Inside we create 3 variables so. A string name and a string email. Also a int for the age. This is key. The DataGridView works best when bound to real objects, not manual rows. Now comes the most important part, data binding. At the top of your form, we create a private binding list using our new created class. In form load we assign it to our grid view. That's it. Now the DataGridView is connected to your data. Whenever the list changes, the UI updates automatically. No manual refresh. No redraw. Nothing. This is the real power of DataGridView. Let's connect the input fields to the grid. Inside button add _ click we create the following code part. After that, we are ready for a first test. And boom, the row appears instantly. That's live data binding. Here's the cool part. Click any cell, and edit it directly. The underlying object updates automatically. No extra code needed. This is why DataGridView is so powerful. It gives you advanced functionality for free. Let's add delete functionality. For this, we add a new button to our form. Inside button remove underscore, click, we create that. Now you can select a row and remove it cleanly from both UI and data. You can also customize how your data looks. Small changes, big visual improvement. This is where your app starts looking professional. Let's be real. Most real-world apps are not buttons and labels. They are data. Users. Orders. Products. Logs. And the DataGridView is your gateway to handling all of that. Once you understand this, you can build real tools. Awesome, you now know how to use a DataGridView. Bind it to real data. Add, edit, and delete entries. And build a real mini management tool. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.